So as a person might say, since envy, desire, and pursuit of honor, and the like, are wrong path, and drive person from this world, number one, with these statements, the Rambam obviously refer to the Mishnah in ours, from ours, which he quoted in the conclusion previous chapter. So that's the connection. Having decried that the traits mentioned there, he explained that his condemnation is directed against excessive materialism, but not against the involvement in worldly affairs. So just don't overdo it. But Rambam, as we see, he was a man who lived in this world, and he worked, and he ate, and studied, and did all of the wonderful things, right?
Right.
So continue. He shall separate from them to very great degree, and to move away from them to the opposite extreme. So number 2. There is asceticism. Okay. For example, he will not eat meat, nor drink wine, nor marry, nor live in a pleasant home. That's like a bum on the street. Nor wear fine clothing, but rather wear sackcloth and a coarse wool and the like. Just as a pagan priests do. Okay, so the like, number 3. The Shmona Prakim, chapter 4, the Rambam makes a similar but more lengthy condemnation of asceticism. There is there he also mentioned other ascetic practices, refraining from sleep and seeking solitude in the mountains and the deserts. That's not a Jewish way, right? Just as the pagan priests do, number 4. This translation follows the published text of Mishnah Torah, which states, okay, what I said. However, many manuscripts and early printed editions state Roman priests. So I mean, there is church monks, right? Which would seem to indicate that Rambam had hermit-like. How do you pronounce?
Hermit-like.
Hermit-like.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't tell if that's supposed to be 2 words or if that's 1 word. Hermit-like. Had hermit-like. I don't know what that is. Catholic.
Okay. Hermit-like Catholics monastic orders in mind. Okay, I mean, but we got the idea what you had in mind. Okay, and number 5. No, that's it. Let me check time 1 second.
Oh, okay. There were, I think he means, oh yeah, let's stop. Okay.